I welcome you to my channel Teaching Math. Today in this section, I have taken the topic for finding CP and SP, that is cost price and selling price when the profit and loss percentage are given. If you see the formulas of cost price in case of profit as well as in loss, it seems very difficult. Similarly, selling price formulas are also not easy to remember. I know everyone is facing this difficulty in remembering these formulas. I have an idea. What if I give you an easy way to find CP and SP? I have a magical idea, and that is easy trick for finding the CP and SP without using all these formulas. You want to see how? Let us see with an example. I buy a TV for ₹10,000 and sell it at a profit of 20,000. How much money do I get for it? Here, the CP is given as 10,000. Profit is given as 20%. We have to find SP, that is selling price. Whatever we have to find, let me assume it as a variable x. So I have assumed SP be x. Now to find CP and SP, what I'll be doing, I'll be taking the CP as 100. So if the CP is 100 and I have a profit of 20%, what should be my SP? Profit is 20%. So percent means out of 100 I get 20. So if the CP is 100 only, the profit is 20. So CP plus profit gives me SP. SP becomes 100 plus 20, that is 120. Now, actual CP is given in the question as 10,000. So I have kept in CP, I have written it as 10,000. And SP, I have assumed it as X. Now, here comes the trick. Just make it cross. What we get? We get two partners we are knowing. Here 10,000 and 120 are the partners, cross partners, right? So we will multiply the known cross partners in the numerator and divide with the partner of x, that is 100. So x becomes the known partners multiplied and divided by the partner of x. If you calculate it, you will get x is equal to 12,000. So what is the SP? Selling price becomes 12,000. I know it was very easy, but for this we must remember some basic concepts. If the CP is 100, what should be my SP if the profit and loss percentages are known? Let us practice it. And every time I will be taking CP, cost price, as 100. First example, profit is equal to 10%. 10% is 10 out of 100. And CP I have assumed already for all the examples as 100 only. So what is the SP? For profit, I will add 100 and 10. So the SP becomes 110. Second example, loss equal to 10%. So for loss, I will subtract CP minus loss. So 100 minus 10 gives me 90. Third example, again a profit. So I will add 100 plus 30. I get SP as 130. Next example is loss. So for loss, what we need to do? We need to subtract 100 minus 25 and the SP is 75. One more example. Here it is profit. So profit, so we will be adding CP and profit. It gives me 100 plus 50, that is 150. So I hope you have understood how to find SP when the profit and loss percentages are given and CP is assumed fixed as ₹100. Second example. Juhi sells a washing machine for ₹13,500. She loses 20% in the bargain. What was the price at which she bought it? Here, she is selling, so the SP becomes 13,500. Loss is given as 20% and CP we have to find out. So whatever we have to find out, let me assume it as a variable x. Now CP and SP, just now we have practiced a lot. CP, I will be taking it as 100. What it will be giving the SP when the loss is 20%? 100 minus 20, that is 80. Now CP, I have assumed it as x. So if the CP is x, I put it in the row of CP, and SP is given as 13,500, that I will put it in the row of selling price. Now cross multiply, and which are the known partners? 100 and 13,500. I will multiply the known partners and divide it with the partner of x, cross partner of x. So what will be the value of x? 100 multiply 13,500 and divided with the partner of x, that is 80. Calculating this, I will be getting x equal to 16,875. Therefore, the cost price is 16,875. One more example. Amina buys a book for rupees 275 and sells it at a loss of 15%. How much does she sell it for? So here CP is given as 275, loss is given as 15%, SP we have to find out, so I will assume it as a variable x. Now CP and SP, I will use that formula only. If the CP is 100, what will be SP if the loss is 15%? In case of loss, I will subtract 100 minus 15, that is 85. Now CP is given as 275, SP we have assumed x. Make the cross partners. X will be having the value 85 multiplied by 275, and it will be divided by the cross partner of x, that is 100. Now if you calculate it, multiply and divide it by 100, you will be getting x equal to 233.75. So the selling price becomes 233.75. Now check your understanding with the given set of questions. Here I have given you 4 questions. I hope you have understood the concept well. Take the timer, and now you can check your speed whether it works for you or not. All the best. Try to complete at least 2 questions with the timer. I know you have done. Check your answers. Question number 1 has the answer CP is equal to rupees 500. Question number 2, CP is equal to rupees 20,000. Question number 3, SP is equal to rupees 616. Question number 4, SP is equal to rupees 2,970. Thank you. Keep watching. Keep learning. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have a great day ahead. Bye-bye.